Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we're filming with 360 Chicago, doing a real estate tour. I'll be taking care of the backstage, and let's see how it goes.
The way he's flying, so you understand the flow of it, pretty much is he's gonna go through here, and you follow it, right? And this is an idea. We're gonna do a couple takes, and I'm thinking having him go around here to get the space,
okay,
and then coming back to get this perspective, then going into the back.
Got
so
it.
He's gonna come in, flow around the space, just look at the full 360 from this center.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. It was January 27, pretty cold, but still we met with Patrick from 360 Chicago Tours. He showed me a couple of cool stuff. Then we met Brandan. Brandan is an FPV pilot, very talented young individual. I suggest you guys to work and collab with him. Amazing guy, and you will see the magic happening today. Just stay tuned. It was a pretty cold day, and Brandan was just so brave just to work without any gloves because he has to feel the joystick. And now you see the FPV that actually is going to this house. And this is the actual behind the scenes footage.
My hands are so stiff.
It was amazing to see how skillful Brandan was.
This is just backstage.
Yeah, what's up, guys? It's me with Nick Libert here with Exit Strategies Realty. One of the best in Chicago, I guarantee it.
we try.
Yeah, absolutely.
What is your Instagram, sir? We'll just put it.
Instagram is at Nick Libert, NICKLIB as in boy, ERT.
Awesome. All right, guys.
And
I
tell
can't wait
us-
for you to see the in front of the scenes tour of the house. It's beautiful. I can't wait till you see it.
Yeah, guys, it was pretty exciting day actually, considering that we all of us we just met through Instagram. Patrick was really nice and kind to invite to this project, so I appreciate you, Patrick, if you're watching this video. Brandan was super professional, and Nick, you definitely want to hire Nick if you need a property in Chicagoland area. So stay tuned, guys. After this video I will play the results, and please follow us on Instagram, and we will see you next time.